Welcome to Cityview, elevated living just one block from the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 1W, a studio on the first floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the kitchen is on your left with a microwave, an electric oven and range, and a refrigerator, as well as plenty of cupboard space. On into the living area, you'll see 5 pieces of furniture, a full-size bed, a desk and desk chair, a bookcase, and a dresser. All Cityview apartments have high ceilings and large windows that let lots of natural light into the south-facing apartment, despite the slightly limited view from the ground floor. Every apartment is air-conditioned and has a heating element, as well as plenty of closet space. Another great feature of Cityview is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice, spacious bathroom with a shower and tub combo, and a medicine cabinet and vanity. Rent for Cityview Apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Cityview 1W. Call us today for availability.